Next point is atoionization of water. The pure water ionize a very small extent. The ionization equilibrium of water is represented as H2O in liquid form plus H2O in liquid form undergo dissociation to form H3O, that is a hydronium ion, plus OH minus ions. Both are in aqueous state. The equilibrium constant K for the ionization of water is given by dissociation constant K. K is the product divided by reactant. So K is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of H2O square, that is there are 2 moles of water, or there is the KH2O, this is multiplied by K, there is a KH2O square is equal to hydronium ion, that is the concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. This is the equilibrium constant for the ionization of water. This is equilibrium constant, or this one. A majority of water molecules are undissociated. Consequently, concentration of water can be treated as constant. Then H2O square into K dash, that is equal to, here undissociated concentration of water is H2O square is equal to K dash, that is this one, value of this H2O square is K dash. So this equation becomes K into K dash that is H2O, concentration of H2O raised to 2. K into K dash is equal to concentration of H2O plus into concentration of OH minus. So KW that is ionic product of water, that is K into K dash is equal to KW. It is ionic product of water. KW is equal to, that is K into K dash is equal to KW. So after addition of KW in this equation, the equation becomes KW is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus ions. The product of molar concentration of hydronium, that is, or hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions at equilibrium in pure water is given at given temperature is called as a ionic product of water. वॉटरचा आयनिक प्रोडक्ट कशाला म्हणणार आहे आपण? द मोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे जे दिलेलं आहे दॅट इज फक्त हे इन वर्ड दिलेलं आहे. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ हायड्रोनियम आयन्स, दिस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ हायड्रोनियम आयन and hydroxyl ions at equilibrium in pure water at given temperature is called as a ionic product of water. In pure water, hydronium ion, that is the H3O plus, concentration always equal the concentration of OH minus ions. Okay, in pure water मध्ये दोघांचे concentration equal असतात. Thus, at 298 Kelvin, this concentration is found to be 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. So Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. So that is pure water. In case of pure water, this ionic product काय असणार आहे, याची व्हॅल्यू आणि याची व्हॅल्यू, दॅट इज H प्लस आयन्स आणि OH मायनस आयन्स दोघांची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, सेम असणार आहे. सो द इक्वेशन बिकम्स 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 into concentration of OH minus ions always same, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. So Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. Next point, pH scale. Instead of writing concentration of H3O plus ions in mole per dm cube, sometimes it is convenient to express on the logarithm scale. This is known as a pH scale. ओके, तर आपण जे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लिहितो OH मायनस किंवा H3O दे इन द मोल पर डी एम क्यूब ह्याच्यामध्ये, पण काही वेळेस इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल to express this measurement on the logarithm scale. So this is known as a pH scale. Okay, then here Sorensen in 1990 defined the pH of the solution as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the concentration of H plus ions in solution in moles per dm cube. It is mathematically expressed as this is pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus ions. So here pH, that means potential of hydrogen, and pOH is pOH also potential of hydroxides. This is the H and OH. हे पुढे येणार आहे आपल्याला pOH. Similarly pOH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of OH minus ions. Here pH potential of hydrogen and here potential of hydroxides. दोन्ही फॉर्म्युले सेम आहेत. मायनस log base 10 here concentration of H plus ions and pOH the concentration of OH minus ions. So pOH of the solution as the negative logarithm base 10 of the molar concentration of OH minus ions in the solution. This is the pOH, definition of pH and definition of pOH. लक्षात आलं सर्वांच्या? This is very simple. Then the next point is relationship between pH and pOH. खूप simple derivation आहे, विचारलं जातं हे relationship between pH and pOH. Okay, the ionic product of water is, we know Kw is equal to concentration of, this is H3O plus into concentration of OH minus. This is H3O, that is H plus. Now Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 14. In this case, this is the pure water. So there is the Kw is 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. So here concentration of H3O into concentration of OH is equal to Kw. This value is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Then taking logarithm of the both sides, log घ्यायचा आहे दोन्हीकडे. So here log या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूला log येणार आणि याला. So log base 10 concentration of H3O plus log base 10 OH minus ions gives is equal to log base 10 raised to 14 is equal to minus 14. So minus log base 10 H3O plus it is nothing but pH. इथं आपल्याला झालेलं आहे हे pH is equal to log base 10 H plus ions. There is a log base 10 H plus ions and H3O both are same. Okay, and minus log base 10 OH minus ions, it is a pOH is equal to 14. So pH, this is nothing but pH plus the value of this log base 10 OH minus ions is pOH is equal to 14. So relationship between pH and pOH is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay, then next one we have solved the problems which is based on the pH. Then here first problem on pH and pOH. Calculate the pH and pOH of 0.0 molar HCl solution. बघा एका ओळीचं फक्त हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. 2 मार्काला विचारू शकतात. कॅल्क्युलेट pH and pOH of 0.1 molar HCl. तुम्हाला pH आणि pOH दोन्ही काढायचे आहेत. मात्र तुम्हाला गिवन काय आहे तर फक्त तुम्हाला मोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन दिलेलं आहे 0.01 molar HCl. So here given the concentration of H3O plus is equal to C is equal to 0.01 molar. 0.01, that is the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar. So HCl is a strong acid. It is dissociated almost completely in water. आपण बघितलेलं आहे strong acid and strong base, they are completely dissociated in water. Okay, then HCl in aqueous medium plus H2O liquid state, there is a formation of H3O plus Cl minus. Okay, the formula is pH is equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H3O plus or H plus, both are same H3O. This is the formula pH calculate the pH. pH is minus log base 10, concentration of H3O is given, this is the 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So add this value, concentration of H plus ions or H3O plus H plus ions, so is equal to minus log base 10 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So pH is equal to this one रेस टू आहे तो खाली येणार आहे 2 pH. आता pH ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला विचारलेली आहे, कॅल्क्युलेट pH. तर pH आपला निघालेला आहे, pH इज इक्वल टू 2. देन हाऊ यू कॅल्क्युलेट द pOH? वी नो द फॉर्म्युला pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So we know the value of pH, then add the value of pH from here and to calculate the pOH. So pOH is equal to 14 minus shift इकडे झालेला is equal to, so it become here positive, it become negative. So pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. Value of pH is 2. So 14 minus 2. So pOH is equal to 12. अगदी एका ओळीचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, त्यामध्ये pH आणि pOH काढायचं आहे आणि कुठल्या ह्याचं तर HCl, इट इज स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड. आधी डिसोसिएशन दाखवायचं आहे, त्यानंतर pH काढायचं आणि pH वरून आपल्याला pOH काढायचं आहे. ह्याला दोन फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायला लागणार. pH इज इक्वल टू मायनस लॉग बेस 10 H3O, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H3O प्लस अँड pH प्लस pOH इज इक्वल टू 14. हे दोन फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला माहिती असतील तर हे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही इझिली सॉल्व करू शकता.